Phone stand, 2-pack Cellphone Holder Tablet, 4 to 7.9. Mini and lightweight stand Aupek foldable phone stands are designed with pocket size 3.823, 28.0, 55 inches, which can be folded up flat. Lightweight, 0.88 ounces, does a better job than the taller, heavier metal phone stand, easy to carry in rucksack pocket with you. Perfect for videos, chatting, watching rugby, basketball, baseball matches, movies, cooking or kids studying. How to use 6 slots to choose your ideal viewing angle. Our cell phone stand supports both vertical and horizontal viewing. SMARTPHONBS 4-6 inches, suitable for portrait and landscape modes as you like. E-reader and tablet, 6-7.9 inches, suitable for landscape mode to prevent falling. Groove to place your device is 0.67 inches 1.7 centimeters wide. Please remove your case if necessary. Stable and anti-skid, made of premium ABS material, this desk phone holder is proved durable for long-run usage. Anti-slip rubber base protects tablet and cell phone from scratching and sliding. Widely compatible, the universal phone cradle stands are compatible for iPhone XS Max, XR, X876s 6 Plus 55s 5C, iPad mini, Google Pixel 3 2 XL, Nexus 5 X6 P7, LG G7 V40 V20 V30 K20 G4 G5 G6, Samsung Galaxy S10 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 Plus, Note 9 8s 9s 8 Plus S7 Edge S6 S5 J7 J3 Moto X G6 E4 E5 Z3 Z2 Play and more. What you get to Aupek office phone stand is backed with 12 months manufacturer warranty and professional customer service support. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.